Okay, we're going to do a quick video on lining your forge with ceramic fiber. So what you'll have here is a 23 by 9 piece of ceramic fiber and a 9 by 11.5 inch piece of ceramic fiber. Obviously your long piece will go in first, so what you want to do is roll this up just tight enough so it'll go inside the chamber here. And I should also mention rubber gloves, long sleeves, and a respirator or mask when working with this ceramic fiber. Okay, so we insert, and then it's pretty simple. You just spread it on out. It's going to take some work in here, but you want to spread it on out until the seams line up. It's going to be fairly tight in there, so keep working it until you can get it all the way spread out. Okay, so your first layer should look like that. Make sure the outside edge is flush with the outside of your chamber wall edge here. So when you slide your bricks back and forth, they'll be able to pass. Next, you want to take your fire brick, carefully place it inside, and make sure it's flush with the outsides also. And really press this on down. See how I'm pressing that down so it seats in there nice. Okay, now my second piece. This is going to form a dome. It's not going to go all the way around. It's just going to go from the edge of the brick to the edge of the brick. So, same thing. Fold that up just enough to get it in there. Place it in. And we just want to shove it to the sides. I try to get it to where it seats right behind the edge of the brick on the sides. We got a nice round dome now. Everything's flush. And it's ready to be sprayed down with your rigidizer. So that's it. Pretty simple process. Next step, we're going to spray with rigidizer.